welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another Fashion Nova haul, and just to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money, so without further ado, here we go. So the first shirt is called Jackie Ruched crop top. This is mesh. It is see-through. I really like this shirt. If you have good abs to wear it, you don't have to have abs. I mean, I don't have abs, but it is really cute. It was $14.99 and I got it in a size small and it fits perfectly. I wore this shirt to Target and I got a lot of people looking my way, especially other people's husband. Sorry, but my husband really liked it. He thought it was really cute. So let's move on to the second one here. It is called the Sheena dress. It is in the color rust. This is a very pretty color. I bought it in a size small, and when I purchased it, it was $14.98. It's got a crisscross in the front. I think the dress was a little short for me. The sleeves were a little long because, you know, I have short arms and short legs. But I must say that the fabric, it is stretchy and it is very comfortable to wear all night if you are going to a party or a dinner date. And the third one, it is called the Nova Boost jumpsuit. This is in the color black. As you can see, it's in a size small. When I bought it, it was $19.99. I did like this. It fit really well, but the fabric is kind of thin. So if you are kind of bigger, you want to go with a bigger size because, you know, when you bend down, girl, you do not want other people to be seeing your underwear or see what you wear underneath. Let's move on along. This one is called Never the Same jumpsuit. I got this one is because I wanted a jumpsuit that was a long sleeve and I was thinking Halloween, you know, cat suit. This one is also in the color black and I got it in a small. This one was a little bit more expensive. It was $24.99. I want to say that the material for this, it's kind of like a suede, but a fake suede material. Let's just say it like that. The next one is called By a Land Slide Knit Top. It is in the color light blue. It looks white in the picture, but when you get it, it is two different color in its stripe. I got this in a size small. I paid $22.99 for this. I did like this, but it is kind of on a thin side for the fabric. It didn't fit me as well as I thought it would be. Like the model, as you can see, I look like I'm just an overweight pumpkin. So I will recommend for you to go a size larger if you don't want to show your tummy. And this next one, it is called Couldn't Care Less Knot Top. It is in the color ivory. It's really close to white, not so close yet. I got this in a size medium. I bought it for $14.96. I did like this top, however, it fitted more like a sweater, a thicker sweater, so it would be good for the fall time. And in the picture, the model, she didn't have that big of a boob, so it looked good on her. But when I tried it on, I felt like it wasn't big enough to cover my boob area. So I would suggest for you guys to go a size bigger. And this one, it is called Prime Times Top. It is in the color white. I bought it in a size medium. It was for $12.96. I did like this top, however, I felt that it was a little bit small for me because like I said, I do have a bigger top. It didn't look like the one that the model was wearing. The sleeves, I didn't like that it had a little puff. It made my arms look bigger than it was, and for some reason I felt like it was a little tight in the tummy area because like I said, I'm gaining weight and I do not have a tummy. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do end up ordering any of the outfits that I tried out for you guys today, let me know in the comment below. Other than that, I don't have anything else. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.